Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia Rose and today I am unboxing my new Mirta bag. I am so excited. So if you want a little history about why I love Mirta so much, Mirta, not murder, click here and I can tell you a little bit about why it's such a luxurious place to shop. I'm just obsessed with them. Just a little quick debrief. I had every Chanel bag my little heart could ever desire. I rarely wore them and they didn't make me happy. So I've sold all of those and now I'm really into silent bags, high quality bags that are super chic, super stylish, but don't have tons of logos. So I have this bag that I bought through Mirta, which is absolutely stunning. This bag, I don't think they do this anymore, but I adore it. It's so cool. It's such a neutral, fab little taupe top handle bag. And I've gone for something a little bit different. Now Mirta is a wholesaler, so if you want any of the bags from the Mirta website, just let me know and I can sort that out for you through my website or send me a little DM here on YouTube and I'll get that sorted. So what Mirta do is they are a hub for Italian artisans who make gorgeous clothes, shoes, bags, and it's the one-stop shop for all the gorgeousness. So I love to have a little click around and see what they've got going on. And this bag is going to be in my list of new faves. So I wanted something perfect for spring and summer. Don't want to break the bank because I've got 3 kids, 2 dogs, 6 chickens, and the thought of one of my expensive bags getting ruined, I think is what gives me the fear when buying designer bags. I love it already. Love it already. Oh my God. How gorgeous is that? Oh my God. It is giving me major Hermes vibes without the insane price tag. I can already feel the quality is incredible. This is amazing. This leather is buttery soft. This, you can tell with the quality that it's not gonna like fray, but I'll still take extra care. It's got this cute little button buckle feature on the front. Oh, that makes it so classy and classic. Just look, I'm just gonna wear this all the time. I was gonna save it for like vacations and stuff, but so it comes with a shoulder strap. I see, okay, cool. Don't really see myself wearing that shoulder strap that often. This is absolutely gorgeous. Tons of packaging to keep the shape. And it's got this really sweet floral interior. Can you see? Fabric interior. And then it's got a pocket at the back. I call that my tampon pocket. Oh my gosh, this is, you can see without the stuffing, it's still structured, but soft. This is so cute. I love this so much. The quality is way better than I thought it was gonna be. Oh yeah, that could be cute. But I'll probably just hold it like this. Oof, let's have a try. Ow. Oh my God, it works so perfectly with my outfit today. That is seriously gorgeous. My new perfect bag for spring and summer. So it's by a designer called Claudia Firenze, and Mirta advertises her stuff on their website, which is how I found her. Thank God I did, because I cannot wait to wear this bag. This is absolutely stunning. I love it. If you too would like an amazing high quality but way more affordable bag than one that has tons of logos on it, then let me know and I can sort that out for you. I love it so much. I cannot wait to wear it. I don't want to put it down.